Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make some crispy baked oven wings that will be extremely delicious and tasty. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, you will need some chicken wings. I had whole wings, so I cut them up. Okay, the whole wings must be cleaned and washed, and make sure that they are completely dry. The next ingredient that you will need is some hot sauce. I am using Crystal's hot sauce, and I am using 1/4 cup of Crystal's hot sauce. The next ingredient you will need is a half a stick of melted butter, or equal to 4 tablespoons of melted butter. It can be salted or unsalted butter. Also, you will need 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. If you do not have white wine vinegar, regular distilled vinegar is okay. In addition to that, you will need about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. A good vegetable oil at that. Go ahead and chop you up 1 garlic clove. You will need 1 garlic clove chopped up as well. We will be using some simple onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and some paprika for our seasoning on our wings. These are the ingredients. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. This is the temperature that we will start out with baking our wings on, to 375 degrees. Now let's make our wing sauce. You will mix the hot sauce, the melted butter, your white wine vinegar, and your minced garlic into a bowl, okay? And we're gonna mix those ingredients together. And now you have your wing sauce made. Okay, you guys, now let's get ready to season our wings. Pour your oil on your wings. Put some garlic powder, some onion powder, black pepper, and salt, and the paprika on your wings. Now, let's toss our wings so that it can be completely coated in the seasoning and the oil mixture. Now, if you shake them up like I have done here, your wings will be really seasoned well. Now, whatever pan that you choose to bake your wings on, it could be a baking sheet or a pan that I'm using here. I'm using a 9x13 pan. And it is okay if you have your wings overcrowd the pan. Once the wings cook, they will shrink down. So go ahead and place them in the pan like so. Bake them for 30 minutes. After the first 30 minutes of baking your wings, please take them out of the oven. You are going to take the pan drippings, the oil that has in place, and spoon it on top of your wings. Like you see I am doing here. This is going to help crisp up our wings. Once you have completely basted your wings with the pan drippings, the oil, go ahead and drain the excess pan drippings out. But you are going to turn your wings over as well. Once you empty the pan drippings out, we are going to go ahead and place our wings back in the oven for 30 more minutes. Now you guys can see here that after the first hour of baking our wings, how it is crisping up like so. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? Look at those delicious wings. But we are not done yet, you guys. I just want you guys to see that beautiful color that we are getting on these delicious crispy oven baked wings. Remember, you can make these wings and use them for any type of sauce. Now let's go ahead and let's spoon the sauce over the wings, the hot sauce mixture that we made, and we're going to spoon them over our wings, making sure that we're coating our wings well. You can toss your wings around in your pan if you would like to make sure that your wings get a lot of the sauce on both sides of your wings. But spoon the wing sauce over your wings just as I am doing here, you guys. Ooh-wee, these wings are going to be delicious. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so we placed our wings back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes and our wings are done. Look at how crispy they turned out, you guys. They are packed full of flavor. They are delicious, and I know you are going to enjoy these wings. Serve them with your favorite wing sauce, ranch, blue cheese, whatever. But I promise you, these wings will be a crowd pleaser. And they are crispy and they are crunchy, you guys. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Some delicious, crispy, oven-baked wings that your friends and family will enjoy. Please hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time Cooking with TK uploads a video. And I hope you guys try this recipe, and I hope you come back to my channel for another video. And please leave lots of comments down below. You guys know I enjoy conversating with you guys. But remember, these are a great appetizer for game day. Peace. Have a great day.